Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Today, we're answering a common question. Can you bill a parent for a subcustomer in NetSuite? You must first enable the feature Consolidate Payments under Setup Company. Enable Features. Under Accounting, check the box for Consolidated Payments. Once done, click Submit to save the changes. Let's now take a look at the subcustomer record. Note that this customer is correctly set as a child of the parent customer. Let's now take a look at the sales order we want to bill to the parent customer, where the subcustomer is listed as the customer on the transaction. Let's now take a look at the sales order we want to bill to the parent customer, where the subcustomer is listed as the customer on the transaction. When creating the invoice, make sure to change the customer name to the parent. Make sure that all details on the invoice are correctly entered before saving. After saving the invoice, you can go back and check the sales order. You'll notice that its status is now set to billed. That confirms the transaction has been successfully invoiced and linked to the parent customer for payment. So, to answer the question clearly, yes, you can bill a parent for a subcustomer in NetSuite. And that's it for this video. We hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching.